Node.js interview practice questions, set 2. Question 1. What does the require function do in Node.js? A. Imports core modules or third-party libraries into the current file. B. Exports data to another file. C. Handles asynchronous calls. D. Handles error reporting. The correct answer is A. Imports core modules or third-party libraries into the current file. Require is used to load Node.js built-in or third-party modules into a file. Question 2. Which of the following is not a valid Node.js stream type? A. Readable. B. Writable. C. Duplex. D. Substream. The correct answer is D. Substream. Node.js supports readable, writable, and duplex streams, but no substream. Question 3. Which method allows you to read the content of a file in Node.js? The correct answer is B. fs.readFileSync. fs.readFileSync synchronously reads content from a file in Node.js. Question 4. Which of the following is used to handle HTTP requests in Node.js? A. Express. B. HTTP. C. Path. D. URL. The correct answer is B. HTTP. The HTTP module is used to handle HTTP requests and responses in Node.js. Question 5. What does the async keyword do in Node.js? A. Executes a function synchronously. B. Wraps a function to return a promise. C. Defines a module. D. Creates a new thread for execution. The correct answer is B. Wraps a function to return a promise. The async keyword makes a function return a promise, enabling asynchronous behavior. Question 6. Which function is used to set up a basic HTTP server in Node.js? The correct answer is B. http.createServer. http.createServer sets up an HTTP server that listens for requests in Node.js. Question 7. What is a promise in Node.js? A. A function that runs in parallel. B. An object representing the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation. C. A core module. D. An HTTP request. The correct answer is B. An object representing the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation. A promise represents the future value of an asynchronous operation in Node.js. Question 8. What is the default behavior of the fs.writeFile method? A. Appends data to the file. B. Overwrites the file if it exists. C. Deletes the file if it exists. D. Creates a new file only. The correct answer is B. Overwrites the file if it exists. By default, fs.writeFile overwrites the file content if the file already exists. Question 9. Which of the following best describes Node.js? A. A browser-based JavaScript runtime. B. A single-threaded, event-driven I/O model. C. A C++ framework. D. A web browser. The correct answer is B. A single-threaded, event-driven I/O model. Node.js is single-threaded and non-blocking, making it ideal for scalable applications. Question 10. What is the purpose of module.exports in Node.js? A. To load external modules. B. To export functions or objects from a module. C. To define variables globally. D. To create events in the event loop. The correct answer is B. To export functions or objects from a module. Module.exports allows a module to export functionality for use in other files. Question 11. Which of the following is the method for handling errors in Node.js callbacks? A. Try catch. B. Throw. C. Error first callback. D. Error handler. The correct answer is C. Error first callback. Node.js follows the convention of error first callback to handle errors in async operations. Question 12. Which of the following is the purpose of the event module in Node.js? A. To handle HTTP requests. B. To allow objects to emit and listen for events. C. To define routes. D. To handle file system errors. The correct answer is B. To allow objects to emit and listen for events. The events module provides methods to emit events and attach listeners to them. Question 13. Which module in Node.js provides HTTP server functionality? A. HTTP. B. FS. C. URL. D. Path. The correct answer is A. HTTP. The HTTP module allows you to create and manage HTTP servers in Node.js. Question 14. Which of the following is not a method of the HTTP module? The correct answer is C. HTTP.write. HTTP.write is not a method for the HTTP module in Node.js. Question 15. Which event is emitted when a server is ready to accept requests? A. Start. B. Listening. C. Ready. D. Server UP. The correct answer is B. Listening. The listening event is emitted when a server is ready to accept requests. Question 16. Which of the following can be used to handle HTTP requests in Express? A. Rec. B. Res. C. Next. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Express.js uses rec, res, and next to manage HTTP requests, responses, and middleware. Question 17. Which of the following statements about Express.js is true? A. It only supports GET requests. B. It requires the use of a database. C. It is a framework built on top of Node.js. D. It cannot handle errors. The correct answer is C. It is a framework built on top of Node.js. Express.js is a minimalistic framework that simplifies building server-side applications with Node.js. Question 18. What is the default port for HTTP server in Node.js? A. 8080. B. 3000. C. 5000. D. 80. The correct answer is D. 80. The default HTTP port is 80, but it can be customized. Question 19. Which command installs a package in the Node.js project? A. npm install. B. npm add. C. npm get. D. npm fetch. The correct answer is A. npm install. npm install is used to add dependencies to a Node.js project. Question 20. Which of the following methods can be used to debug Node.js applications? A. Console.log. B. Node debug. C. Debugger. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. You can use console.log, Node debug, or debugger to debug Node.js applications.